Magical. Good luck on your good luck. Love.
Franklin.
Now you didn't get things mixed up this time, did you?
I've got no fucking idea.
I'm leaving you home while Minnie and I go to the invitation. So you be sure and take care of the magic show, okay? And remember.
Which channel's showing the big match tonight?
Okay.
Tom, I need to teach you how to be quick, like me.
Thinks Goose broke the globe. Should we tell him it was us? Goose didn't get into trouble.
You nicking that ham from the fridge.
You're going to have to...
A check will do nicely. Just make it out to Eddie Hitler.
Only because you used to take it up the arse as regular as clockwork.
Hey, that would never stand up in a court of law. One for the money and the free rides. It's two for the lie that you didn't know. All rise. All rise.
Seems
You've just cut off my knob.
perhaps we should
Read that last part again.
He stinks. What a horrible.
Stuffed toys. Yeah.
My worst.
Cunt!
Wait a moment. These aren't my gloves. These are...
Franklin.
Why do we...
Save your life. Although you might die in the process.
And where are my magical ones?
I fucked it.
What?
I fucked it.
You fucked the...
All right, that's it. Just drop it, would you, Bear?
Oh, don't trouble that sad pile of dog shit lodged in your skull that you vainly claim to be a brain.
He's got a bunch of flowers for you.
Oh, my God, he's not in love with me as well, is he? Kind of a sort of Marilyn Monroe figure in this jail, really, aren't I? Suddenly got the jugs for it.
Fuck off!
Originally... hey, what was that thing he always used to say?
Oh, my arsehole.
Anyway, what were we talking about?
What were you doing in the interval?
All right, I gotta get this iceberg to the
Magic show.
Do you think that's enough of the
Magic show.
organ type joke?
Apple.
Now drink the fucking tea!
Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna run around and desert you, never gonna make you cry, never gonna say goodbye, never gonna tell a lie and hurt you.
Hey, Eddie.
It's a lot cheaper than electric blue.
What? Crime Watch?
Yeah, that Sue Cook.
My Canadian gloves.
And now for my final trick.
The weapons of mass division.
It took you 4 hours to
Make a do. Poo. Hello, Pen. Fancy a shag?
What do you mean, ah? It's not a fucking pantomime, you know.